Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how you can create PayPal invoice. First, let's log into your PayPal account. On the Quick Links tab, go to Invoicing. To create a new invoice, just click the Create Invoice button. You can either bill a single customer or bill multiple customers. Select the customer you want to bill. You can add new customer by clicking the Add New Customer button in the drop-down. Just like what I'm doing here, I'm going to put the item name, quantity, and price. You can also add a note to your customer. Once done, you can either share the invoice link to your customer or you can just hit the send button wherein the invoice will be sent to their email. And that's how easy you can create invoice and PayPal. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.